Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mirage Realms. I know, another Mirage Realms video. Who would have thought? Today, I'm gonna be talking about something very, very special. First of all, ba-dum, 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 I'm 45, which means that I'm 5 levels from 50, which means that 4 days from now, I'm gonna be 50. Well, 4 days from recording, which is gonna be I don't know. I don't know when this video is gonna be going out and things like that. This means that I'm gonna be hitting 50 very, very soon with this gear. Level 30, 30, 30, 30. I have only 240 pieces. Stats suck balls. Like, I know that. I very well know that. And I cannot do anything about that. Unless for me to train. But training would mean that I'm spending time not leveling, which means I'm not gonna be getting 50, which means that I'm not gonna be okay. I'm not gonna be training. This is my plan. I'm gonna be getting 50, and I'm gonna be training a lot. I will be training my defense, my distance, everything. If my perfect stats would be like 75 to 80 to like 75, 80 as well. Defense. The defense is the big thing I want. I'm sorry because of that I had to burp. Also, the rings and things like that all are gonna be level 50. The build that I'm gonna be going for is gonna be a stamina build again. I personally don't see the usage in a defense build unless you're going for a block build, which in my personal opinion seem OP, but I didn't try. I didn't try it because I come from a gaming community where percentage practically means you're OP, and percentage to me is like, yeah, let's do that. I was thinking about doing a crit build, just like why not? I'm not. Why? Because why would I? Crit builds they're rare. They are for mages only, in my personal opinion, and they're literally the glass cannon of builds. Like, you really don't want a crit build with a mage unless you got a tank as well. And 50, yeah, training bunch with that. Also, this is one thing. There's gonna be a tournament. Almost forgot. There's gonna be a tournament on tomorrow. I don't know. It may be the day I'm uploading this video, or maybe even over. But I'm gonna be trying to record it if Egg lets me. I don't know if Egg is gonna let me, but yeah, I'm gonna be trying that. Also, you're gonna probably be like, "You really know life 50? You're really trying to know life 50?" Yes. It's been a. It's been almost, I think, a week of just non-stop leveling, level, 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 nothing else, and it has gotten stale fast. If you don't know, I was level 33 or 32, and in 3 days I got 40. In 3 days I got 40, and I said by the end of the week 50. I don't know. I may be a day late. I may be a day early. I don't know when this video is gonna be uploaded and things like that. Like, for example, Lady Spy, she was 45, and I was like 42 or 3, and I'm 45. Is there anyone willing to party? And like also Little Grim, level 22. Why not? The Grim Frog is Let me show you. 41 and comply is 48. Oh wow. He's 41. I'm almost a bigger level than him. He was a larger. He was a larger level than me, and now, well, he's not. He was 43, and I just like zoom past him. Also, another dude I zoomed past was Dangeroid. He is 38 or 37, I think. He was like, I remember him being like 35 when I was 20. He stopped playing a bit. I just zoomed past him, and yeah, like that is how the game kind of works now. It is a no life thing level booster, and also any of the percentages. I need one level. That means if I wanna fit, I have a daily quota. That is kind of how I did. It's a daily quota thing. Oh, that sucks. I need to. I needed the way I calculated it, which was wrong. I needed to get 1.25 levels each day. That was wrong. I needed to get like almost 2 levels each day, and the past 2 days I got 2 levels. No, I actually got like 4 levels, I think, and here we are. And I mean, literally the past couple of days have been way for party in H2 or Inferno and just go off. It is annoying, but not, if you get what I mean. And yeah. Also, I got last night I played until 4, but I got to 45. And yeah, I mean it is like my stats are the worst thing ever. I have a bunch of HP. I have more HP than death, but he has like what 90 magic, which actually isn't that much, and I have more defense than him. He has like what 57. Not good for a mage. Mages want a lot of defense and a lot of HP, and when a level 45 archer has more HP, I'm sorry, I have hiccups. When a level 45 archer has more HP and defense than a level 86 mage, not good. And yeah, like what that dude is using pearl arrows 100%. Yep, he's using pearl arrows. Not smart, my dude, not smart. Use wooden arrows. I deal like 100, like 98, 99 damage with pearl arrows, which is kind of a lot. But like some people deal 150 damage with defense weapons, like builds that are meant not to deal damage, builds that are meant to take damage. They kind of deal a lot of damage, and you can see my stamina is out of the roof. Plus, I don't have like max. I have max stamina there. The jewel necklace is so good, but the burning ring, it could be better. And level 50 gear. I'm gonna be trying but I have 11 gold. I'm gonna be trying at slimes. Maybe I okay. This is my plan. This is my actual plan. I'm gonna either train or go money and then get like a max level 50 set. And under set, I mean also necklaces and rings and things like that. And I may just like be like, who cares? Go off. Or or um yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Also, the demon bow needs an upgrade. It does need an upgrade because 12 distance ain't gonna be cutting it at ghosts. So I'm gonna be buying a 18 plus with 5 stamina, which go like for 75 gold. I don't know. I'm gonna be trying to get it. Also, I was actually thinking about buying a pearl bow. Pearl bow. Pearl bows can go for up to 450 gold, which means if I wanted to, I had to borrow money from. I had to borrow money from the bum, which he probably wouldn't give me because who the hell will give me 450 gold? And then I had to pay him back, which wouldn't be smart. And also, a max stat pearl bow that is on sale doesn't exist because why not? And you're gonna see me like a lot of like this is soloing, but not really. But yeah, like it is. I mean, this currently how I'm running the game. I'm not happy with this. Um, I'm no laughing a lot of the game, and I'm really not pleased with it. And I will try to like the training. And many people say like, watch a good movie, study, do anything. Literally, just don't train to train. And who did hit my mob? Boy, you're lucky. I don't have any pearl arrows. Hmm. Yeah, guys, I'm this video here. If you like tips, comment below. Grind the meat to the bones and the bones as well. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you next one. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mirage Realms. I know, another Mirage Realms video. Who would have thought? Today, I'm gonna be talking about something very, very special. First of all, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.